Hello, programmers. You are welcome back once again to Bunny Code Academy. In the last lesson, we learned about the structure of HTML, and today we are going to learn tags in HTML. But before that, I will urge you all to subscribe, comment, follow, and share for more videos. HTML is the language used to create web pages, as we learned earlier. Web pages are built with tags. Tags tell the browser what to show and how to organize content. So today we are not going to code. We are here to learn the main categories of HTML tags so that we will understand what each tag does better. Later, when we start coding, it will be much easier to use them. So let us start with the heading tags here. The heading tags are used to create titles and headings on a web page. It starts from H1 to H6. H1 is the most important and largest heading. H2 to H6 are the smaller headings used for sections and subsections. So H1 is the biggest, followed by H2, followed by H3 to H6, and H6 is the smallest. So heading tags helps organize content and tell reader what each section is about. You don't worry, we are here to understand the function of each tag. We are not going to code today. So let us put in mind that heading tags are used to create titles and headings on a web page. And also we have the text formatting tags. The text formatting tags change how text looks. These tags make text easier to read and show which parts are important. So formatting tags like the bold, italic, emphasize, strong, and etc. So whenever we want to format text on our web page, we will use the text formatting tags. And also we have the link tags. Link tags create links to other pages or websites. The link tags allow users to move from one page to another. Without links, websites will just be single page with no connection. So it's like putting Facebook link inside your web page so that when one click on that link, it will send him to Facebook. And also we have the list tags. List tags are used to create lists. So whenever we want to list some items on our web page, we will use the list tags. So let us put in mind that list tags are used to list items. The table tags allow us to show information in rows and columns. Tables are useful for organizing data like schedules, scores, or price lists. So whenever we want to draw table on our web page, we will use the table tag. And also we have the form tags. So these form tags are used to create online forms, the forms that we normally fill online. And also we have the scripting tags. These scripting tags are used to add behavior to web pages using JavaScript. So for now, we are not going to focus on these scripting tags. We will learn that later. And also we have the image and object tags. These tags are used to add media to web pages. Media like the image, videos, and audios. So whenever we want to add those media, we use the image tag. And one more thing, there are some parts of tags. We have the opening tag and then the closing tag. The opening tag starts the element and then the closing tag ends the element. So let us use this paragraph. We've opened the element and then we've typed in this is a paragraph and then we have what? Close it. So you don't worry, we are going to understand this very easy when we get to code. So just put in mind that we have opening tag and then the closing tag. Before we can display something on our web page, we have to put that thing, let me say that text, inside an opening and a closing tag. So the closing tags always start with the backslash, but the opening tag does not. So think of it like entering a room. Here is the door. We open the door and then we've entered the room and we close the door and what? We get out. So that's how opening and closing tags works. In the next video, we are going to tackle each tags one by one. So we start from the heading tags and then we move to the text formatting tags, link tags, and etc. See you in the next video.